Hello.
Hey, hello. How are you?
Hi. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Yes, I'm fine.
Good to hear. I am Stephen. What is your name?
My name is Nikita Yadav. I'm from India.
Okay, I see. Cool. Cool.
Okay.
I
And
am Stephen. Yeah, sorry.
okay. Where are you from, sir?
I'm from the UK, United Kingdom.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So
So,
what's your occupation?
occupation, I'm an English teacher.
Okay.
But
So
yeah, I teach English, so that's pretty much what I do online and offline. How
okay.
about you?
I'm also
Uh,
an English teacher here in India.
oh, okay. So,
I teach
so,
English as a second language.
oh, nice. So, what do you want to use Cambly for? Are you
And just to
you?
improve my skills spoken. That's
Hmm.
it.
Okay, yeah.
The
So,
big problem is with me is pronunciation. I have some, mother tongue influence in my speaking. So that's what I want to get rid.
I want to get rid of
Yeah.
some problems. Okay.
Yeah, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So you want mainly like conversation practice
Yes, yes,
on
sir.
the.
That's what I want.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, Cambly is pretty flexible. You just call like you did, or you can make appointments with different teachers. You can have one teacher or many teachers. Everybody is a native. So,
Yeah,
yeah,
actually, this is the first day I'm on Cambly. I just joined it recently.
yeah. Well, I think I have like free trial or something because you
Yes,
only
yes, I've
called
taken
me.
a free trial.
Hmm. Yeah, because you only have a few minutes, I noticed on the call.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, 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 yes.
All right. Well, fair enough. So, have you taught any classes today then? Had any classes you had to teach
Sorry, I'm
today?
not getting you. Today,
Did you?
okay, yeah, as it's
Yeah.
coronavirus here, so we are giving online classes. Formal schools are
Right.
not coming here.
Hmm.
So I want
Okay.
to,
So you taught
yes,
some online classes.
yes.
How do you find that? What do you think about that? Is good
About
for?
online classes,
Hmm.
like I I like to teach students face to face. That is better, you know.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. Yeah. So you can tell them to be quiet. It's much easier.
yes, exactly, exactly.
Hmm. Yeah, I can understand. Yeah. Well, I when I do it is mostly one on one, so it's
Yeah,
easier
yeah.
than a whole class. Whole class, I think, would be more difficult to
Yes,
teach
yes.
online. Yeah, okay. How many students are you teaching usually?
Actually, I'm teaching in a school, so I
Hmm.
teach up to 10th class.
10th grade, is that what you mean?
Yes,
Or
10th grade. Yes, yes.
how many students are in your classes? Like how many people?
It's maximum 25 to 30 students are there in my classes in every
Hmm.
section.
Yeah, okay. It's pretty big, but not too big, I
Okay.
think. I
Mhm.
thought maybe India might be bigger, like, because in China, I know they have like 40 students, 50 students in the
Yes, they
schools.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. We have maximum 30 students in a class.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's better, I think. 50 is too
Hmm.
many. That's kind of
It's
crazy.
quite hard to handle 50 students at a time.
Hmm.
It's quite
Uh,
hard for a one
your
teacher.
yeah, your voice will be hurting at the end
Yeah.
of the class, right? A lot
Okay,
shouting
okay.
a lot. Okay.
Mhm.
Well, I think we just have about 25 seconds left. So
Yes, actually. Hmm.
thanks for the call. Nice chatting to you. So
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
I can hear any problems with pronunciation so far. Seems okay, but yeah, until you work on it, you can improve little things over time to become more clearer and grammar, that kind of thing. Anyway, take care. I'll speak to
Okay,
you
sir.
another
Thank you
time.
so much. It's a nice talk to you. Thank you.